Place the washing machine on a flat surface, preferably tiles, for stability and easy stretching. The Mojoco washing machine is easily stretchable due to its strong bottom suction. In the box includes a manual, warranty card, foldable spin dryer, adapter, inlet T, and drain pipe. To install the washing machine, plug in the power adapter into the washing machine. Plug in the inlet T and screw the end into a faucet. Next, plug in the drain pipe. Ensure that all are plugged in tightly into the correct holes. Plug the power adapter into a socket. The lights will turn on and a beep will be heard. At the front of the machine are mode options available for you to choose from. Simply tap on the corresponding buttons to choose a mode. For standard mode, you can choose your desired water level from high, medium, or low. The machine will automatically feed water when in standard mode. Once filled with water, the washing machine will operate. Once the initial cycle is completed, the water will automatically drain. The process will repeat 3 times in total for the purpose of rinsing the clothes. Manual mode eliminates the need for an inlet T, as the user manually adds water to the machine. Once enough water is added, the machine will start operating. Water will drain automatically, but no automatic repetition of cycles will occur. For the spin dry mode, it requires the spin dryer basket. To extend the basket, simply press the basket to the center with both hands. Press it down onto the pulsator to lock the drain basket. When the mode is selected, the pulsator will start spinning. It will also drain the excess water. Lastly is the drain mode. Simply select the mode and the machine will automatically drain the excess water. By following the instructions carefully, you should now be fully familiar with the operation of Mojoco foldable washing machine. For more questions about the product, feel free to contact our customer support. We hope you have a great experience using this product.